Hey guys, this is Marty Davis, MarineMax, Osage Beach, Missouri. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Harris Sunliner 250. If you have any questions after the video, please feel free to reach out to me. My contact information should be right down here. Starting out, this is a 250, a 25-foot boat. It's got 24-foot tubes. We've got nice flip-up cleats. Some nice trim here. We've got an upgraded flooring. Taking a step back, we have the Lake Ozarks package, 27-inch tubes.
What's the benefit of those tubes, Marty?
The benefit is they're taller and they have a larger radius, which is going to give you more clearance from the chop here at Lake Ozarks. We all know about it. Definitely a nice upgrade to our boats. Another thing I wanted to show you guys is this simple little system here. This is how our fenders attach. You adjust them just to hold right there. They release that simple, giving you the ability to trust your boating buddies to protect your boat the way you would. Another step back, we got the doors, safety hinges for the kids. Right here is a door stop. It is part of the frame. It takes 400 pounds to push this open, so if someone were to stumble into it, definitely not going to push through. Got another fender clip, flip up cleat, very nice ladder. Definitely a reason to buy our boat is every time you're getting out of the water here on the boat, I can walk up this without using the handles. So with the handles, it's very easy for anybody to get up and out. We've got the new Mercury 225.
What's the benefit of this new Mercury motor here?
It's lighter. It's got more torque at low speed or low RPMs because it is non-aspirated as its preceding models. A neat benefit here, you just push that. Got oil fill, oil check. It is that simple to maintain your motor. You don't have to take off your hood anymore. We've got a nice tow bar here, easy hookup. Again, a nice place to grab climbing out. If you got people stumbling around out here, jumping off, nice open area here. And here, this is a neat feature of our single lounger floor plan. The boat comes with some nice gear, obviously tons of space, easy to get in and out of.
It's like some nice speakers here for swimming. And
when you're coved out, you've got these that project the sound out into the water. This is the single lounger cushion. This flips back, giving you a nice area to relax, have a cocktail, sit here, watch your kids swim. Makes it comfortable and easy. Remote transom, JL audio, nice stuff. Put this back. Again, continuing, you've got storage everywhere. Harris does a nice job with their brackets. They're not hinges. Flip that open, get in there. You've got drip rails. In here you've got two batteries. Battery switch on, off. Making sure you can start your boat after you come out of a LED cup holders. You got a nice bimini. Same quick connectors, stainless steel, not plastic. Definitely a benefit for the ownership of this boat. Got a movable armrest cup holders everywhere. If there's one you want there, you just put it there. Moving to the helm, you've got the raised helm down here, getting you up over the people up front. A lot of people like that, to be able to see where they're going. We've got the very comfortable chair. Can't really demonstrate that on the video. You have to come in, meet me, and check the boat out yourself. Nice Nice flip switches, Bluetooth JL stereo, hooks to your electronic devices. That way you can listen to your personal music out on the water. Simrad, you got GPS, 2 views of that. That will have a sonar in it that shows you the bottom depth, very, very specific. And then you've got GPS speedometer, gas, RPMs, hour gauge. Moving on, you got electronic throttle. Everybody likes this. You use this, it will spoil you. And then you've got power steering as well. Storage under every seat. Nice feature is a trash can, designated area, more storage. Got a large side door here, easy access in and out. In here we have the changing curtain, ski locker. Again, take a look at this nice print on the flooring. Storage just everywhere. Plenty of places to stuff stuff.
What is the color of this interior?
This is our camel color. Very popular, easy to maintain. Looks clean even when it's not. So again, my name is Marty Davis. This is the Harris Sunliner 250. Give me a call. Information is below. We got a lot of boats down here. We're getting some videos online today.